If nobody believes in you, believe in yourself and keep going. Sometimes not everybody will see the vision you have. It is called your vision. Even I will not be able to even see your vision. So if nobody believes in you, keep going. God have shown you the script already. This is where you are supposed to be. This is what you are supposed to do to get to that point. So the script have been shown already and it's meant for you. It is your own destiny. So the road is yours to journey alone. People may pretend to believe. People may just assume that, okay, they can see. But believe me, nobody can see your vision. People may just out of, okay, let me give a chance, let me trust you. You don't need people to trust you to start. You need to start for people to trust you.